Hello YouTube friends, today we have something exciting that came in the mail and we're going to unbox this today. What we have is the Amazon Echo. So I'm going to open this thing up and see what we got inside. Okay, I've got the box open. We've got some very nice packaging here with blue background. And here of course is the main Amazon Echo unit. So we're going to be taking this out of the box and taking a look at this just for you guys. Okay, so inside the box there was another small box, and we've got some components inside there. We've got our charging cable. We've got some extra batteries down there, and that's for the remote, which is very similar in design to the Apple TV remote. We've got a base mount here for the remote control. That should be it inside of the box there. We also have ready quick start guide, bookmark type of instruction manual. Actually, this is a bookmark, but it tells you what to do. And then, of course, we've got the unit itself here. So we're going to get that unwrapped and set up for you guys. All right, so I've got the Amazon Echo plugged in for the first time, as well as I've got batteries inside of the remote. It was a little bit difficult putting these batteries inside the remote, but finally got them in there. So now going through the setup process to get this thing. It says to step 1, plug it in, and a blue ring will appear to spin around. After about a minute, it's supposed to change to orange, and then Echo is going to greet me. And then step 2 of the process is to download the app.
Hello, your Amazon Echo is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Echo app.
So now what I got to do is I've got to download the app to my phone, which is what I'm using to record right now. It's Amazon.com/Echo setup. So once I'm done with that, I'll come right back and we'll continue with the process. Back and we've got our Echo connected to our Wi-Fi, and we have the app downloaded. It took a few times to get the app to work correctly, to recognize. I had to actually close it out and restart it. Anyways, so it comes with a sticker to put on the back of this heavy-duty magnet, which will house your remote control, and the remote control will stick on the back of another magnetic device or a piece of metal. The magnet here is weaker than the actual back magnet that connects to a piece of metal, and let me show you that now. So let's say you've got a piece of metal here. You can stick your remote to that, grab your remote, and notice that the base still stays on the metal, which is kind of convenient. I kind of like that. Again, the packaging in the remote remind me a lot of how Apple does their stuff. Now, the reason why they're talking about the remote is just in case you're too far away or it's too loud. You can press and hold the talk button on the remote and talk to the device. It also comes with this sort of bookmark card that says some things to try to ask. You know, you can ask like time and stuff like that, asking informational questions, as well as the setup guide. You have to pair it with your Amazon account and Amazon device, and it will show up. My impressions of this is it's pretty heavy. It's nice solid black color. It's got a rubber base and a pretty sleek design with a power cord. Of course, an LED light on there. There is a hard reset button right down there at the bottom. If you can see that, it's like your typical paperclip reset button. And you're supposed to use a keyword to say like Alexa, and the ring turns on and it's waiting for you to ask a question. Alexa, who is David Randall Blythe?
David Randall Randy Blythe is the vocalist and lyricist of American groove metal band Lamb of God and side project band Halo of Locusts.
Alexa, play some Lamb of God music.
Shuffling music by Lamb of God.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:36.
Who is Kurt Cobain?
Kurt Donald Cobain was an American musician and artist who was best known as the lead singer, guitarist, and primary songwriter of the grunge band Nirvana.
Play Cupid Shuffle.
Cupid Shuffle by Cupid.
New Cupid, new Cupid. Time for a change.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's the weather in New York?
In New York, it's 70 degrees with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for some sun and thunderstorms with a high of 88 and a low of 59.
How far is it to the Bahamas?
Your current location is 865 miles, 1,390 kilometers from the Bahamas.
What is the square root of 25?
25 square root is 5.
What is the right triangle?
A right triangle or right-angled triangle is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle.
Who is Bill Gates?
William Henry Bill Gates III is an American business magnate, philanthropist, investor, computer programmer, and inventor.
Alexa, play some Metallica. Alexa, play 50 Cent's In the Club.
Starting with the most recent version, In the Club by 50 Cent.
Go, 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 shawty.
Alexa, play Little John Shots.
If you're not drunk, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to get drunked up. Let's do it.
Alexa, what is 7 times 17?
7 multiplied by 17 is 119.
Well, there you have just some basic things that asking this device, and it's pretty cool. You can set alarm clocks and things like that. It just seems maybe something that you would have to sort of get used to using on a regular basis, and then once you get used to using it, you probably wonder, well, how did I get by without having this, in my regular everyday life? I can sort of see this being utilized by our household, possibly in the morning time to find out what the weather is, also maybe to answer some quick questions about mathematics or different things like that.